Hello YouTube. It is Berbazooka. It's hard to believe, what dishes are not suitable for breakfast? Breakfast is considered by most health experts to be the most important meal of the day, so you should be careful when choosing your food. Many people prefer to start their day with porridge. Nutritionists remind that now many people are sensitive to gluten, so they need to give up oatmeal, semolina, barley porridge. Rice is known to have a high glycemic index, so if you have high blood sugar, then rice porridge is not good for you. According to nutritionist Elena Lee, oatmeal is often prepared with the addition of honey and dried fruit, but from the point of view of biochemistry it is a carbohydrate bomb. Such a dish quickly raises the glucose level, and after it you will want to eat again too quickly. She advises choosing buckwheat and millet before breakfast, as well as porridge from quinoa and amaranth. There is too much sugar in muesli and cornflakes, and it's good if it's natural. They typically contain sweeteners and other chemical ingredients. Freshly squeezed juices have long been considered extremely healthy, but current evidence suggests they have too much sugar and prohibitively low fiber. You can hardly eat more than one apple or orange, and squeeze the juice out of 3 or 4, and throw away the cake. Nutritionists remind that excess glucose is converted into fat, even if it is fruit. A truly healthy breakfast should consist of complex dishes, that is, necessarily something protein, greens, long carbohydrates. For example, omelette with vegetables, fish, whole grain bread, cheese, and so on. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.